What is up, you guys? And in today's video I'm gonna be making some very tasty mashed potatoes. Start off with the ingredients by peeling your potatoes and putting them in a basin of water to prevent oxidation. After that, you're going to cut your potatoes into smaller bits to reduce your cooking time and also for your potatoes to not absorb a lot of water while boiling. After that, add them to your pan and pour cold water to potatoes. Most preferably tap water, and just add them where the potatoes are. Do not put too much water or too little water. After that, I'm going to crush my garlic and then I'm going to add my garlic, my rosemary and salt. I like adding 3 pieces of garlic and rosemary because it gives it another extra flavor that I just love. After that, I'm going to bring it to a boil. So after 10 minutes and my potatoes are fork tender, drain the water. I'm going to use this tool for mashing my potatoes. I just like the texture that it gives, but if you want finer texture, you can use some other products that allow you to mash your potatoes. I'm going to add in my melted butter. And after that, I'm also going to add in my milk. I'm going to slowly add my milk until I have the texture that I want for my mashed potatoes. So you can, in this step, you can also add a lot of milk or just bits of milk, and you're still good to go. And after that, I'm going to add in my black pepper and my salt. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and turn the notification bell so that you can get all of my recipe every